Hello, Earth. Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to May's Tarot Healing. And this reading will be all about love. Of course, I know you miss me, and I miss doing videos as well. This will be related to your zodiac signs. Choose your zodiac sign in there. It could be sun, moon, rising, guys. So this is about your love life this June. What's to be the energy, the challenges, what's coming for you guys, and the final message that you need to hear in regards of your love life. Of course, we'll start with my fellow beautiful Aquarians. So, Aquas, this is your reading first. So, let's see, Aqua, what is the energy? What is the energy for this June? Okay. Ooh. Ooh la la. Why is this like this? My fellow Aquarians, what is happening with you guys? Okay. So what I can see here, the energy or most of our Aquarians are in this mess. I'm sorry, that's not really what I meant. But what I can see here, guys, there's a lot of conflict, okay? Conflict, competitions, or there are things na hindi maganda pagdating sa energy ng relationship natin mga Aquarius, okay? So nakikita ko dito yung main energy na na-channel natin dito. There is some restriction pagdating sa energy nyo. Siguro marami sa inyo ang broken-hearted. So marami sa inyo guys yung mga hindi nakakapag-focus sa sarili nila or um, hindi nararanasan yung expected nilang relationship. Why? Because there is some restriction for yourselves or wala kayong courage, wala kayong defense. You don't know how to handle things right now. Okay? Just take whatever it is that resonates with you guys. So, yung main energy ng Aquarians natin dito, nakikita ko na siguro marami sa inyo yung hindi okay with your previous partner or your current partner right now. Nakikita ko dito na hindi nyo rin nagagawa yung gusto nyo, hindi nyo na express yung sarili nyo, hindi nyo nararamdaman yung tamang treatment for you guys, my fellow Aquarian. So nakikita ko dito yung energy nyo right now pagdating sa relationship or sa love life is not really good. You might be taking so much pain or you might be trying to be patient na baka magbago itong person nyo, okay? So nakikita ko rin dito na nagtsatsaga kayo pagdating sa relationship and there's a lot of you Aquarians na nasasaktan, not in the right relationship that they should be, not speaking for yourself, and you're trying to be patient para magbago yung mga person or saluhin lahat ng burden ng relationship. Nakikita ko dito na hindi ito magandang energy. Aquarians, I didn't know that you will be like these guys. So, naging kayo na lang, no? So, guys, nakikita ko dito what's happening. Alam kong maulan ngayon this June, pero guys, you shouldn't be crying this month. Okay, so let's see. What are the real challenges for you guys? Why is that the energy? I didn't expect that, girls, men, and women out there, my fellow Aquarians. So let's see what's the challenges. All right, so Knight of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. Ulala. Okay. So, nakikita ko dito na, challenges is, you haven't been responsible or not yet disciplined pagdating sa pagpili ng mga partner or pagdating sa relationship. Well, of course, ayan na naman tayo mga Aquarians. And nakikita ko dito na medyo meron tayong problema pagdating sa concentration, no? So, hindi natin masyadong namamaster yung emotional intelligence. That will be the challenge. Okay? Aquarians, that will be the challenge for you guys or for us to master our emotions or have some emotional intelligence. Nakikita ko dito na wag kayo masyadong padalos-dalos ng mga desisyon pagdating sa relationship nyo this month, my fellow Aquarius. Nakikita ko dito na if you want to focus on your career, then focus on your career and let love happens to you, especially sa mga singles natin dyan, okay? So nakikita ko dito na medyo wag magkaroon ng impulsive decision pagdating sa relationship because Aquarians, it will happen when it's meant to happen at the right time. So madami sa inyo yung hindi pa nakakatagpo ng right partner right now na gusto nyo. It's because you have to focus on yourself, Aquarian. So nakikita ko dito na medyo marami sa inyo yung mga nagsasuffer from emotional attachment. Okay, so hindi makapag-focus sa trabaho, hindi makapag-focus sa career dahil sa relationship. Nakikita ko din dito na medyo kulang tayo sa discipline, Aquarians. Nakikita ko dito na kulang yung disiplina, kulang yung mga productivity natin in regards of ourselves. Puro tayo love life, guys. Love life, love life, love life it is. Okay, so that will be your challenges this month, okay, Aquarians? Bakit ganito? Parang gusto kong magalit. Okay, so bakit naman ganyan? So yung mga single sa inyo, Aquarians, kung wala kayong relationship right now, sa mga single ito, huwag nyo na munang balaking mag-relationship. Why? Focus on your growth, focus on your finances, and build something for yourself na matatawag mong sayo, something that you can lean on. Okay, don't expect anyone to help you, guys. But help yourself, okay? Wag muna nating unahin mga singles ang relationship kung wala pa tayong stability or wala pa tayong panghahawakan or wala pa tayong napapatunayan sa ating mga sarili, okay? At sa mga in relationship dyan out there, mga Aquarians, nakikita ko dito na you have to speak up for yourself and you have to master that emotional intelligence, okay? Wag nating gamitin lagi yung pagiging air sign natin, no? Na nagdi-detach bigla, like we cannot explain ourselves. Communicate. Okay, if you really wanted to be with this person and nakikita nyo naman na hindi naman sila ganun kasama but you are taking it to the highest level so seriously and whatsoever, guys, communicate, express yourself. Okay, try to not take everything seriously or personally. Okay, that's the reason why you cannot continue being a relationship because once you are in a relationship, tingin nyo like, ay, sa inyo lang tong person na to, they cannot be the person they were before. But relationship is a partnership. So grow individually and grow together. Okay. So what are the blessings? What's coming in regards of your relationship, my fellow Aquarius? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh. All right. Okay. So nakikita ko dito, no, magkakaroon ng adventure pagdating sa inyong relationship, guys. Most of you guys will have that adventure or siguro magiging okay, mas magiging okay yung relationship nyo this month, okay? Magkakaroon ng empathy, magkakaroon ng passion, okay? So, nakikita ko dito, there will be mental clarity pagdating sa inyong relationship or pagdating mismo sa inyo, there will be a mental clarity or nakikita ko dito na ma-embrace nyo yung divine feminine ninyo, guys. Mas magiging soft kayo in a way na you'll forgive everything and you will just tap into your femininity, guys. So, what's coming for you in the month of June? Mga relationship, nasa in relationship, nakikita ko dito na you will have your mental clarity and you will know what you wanted to focus on, how you will improve yourself instead of focusing it all to your relationship. Nakikita ko dito na magkakaroon kayo ng passion, mahahanap niyo yung passion nyo or magtatap kayo sa passion nyo. You will focus more on yourself instead of giving it all to your relationship. It's not bad though because we all need to grow individually before we grow together with someone. Okay? Sa mga single naman, nakikita ko na mas magpo-focus kayo improving yourselves, my dear Aquas. Nakikita ko dito na you will try to do more things or mag-explore kayo ng mga bagay na hindi nyo pa ginagawa or mga curiosity nyo, alamin nyo yung mga ganon this month of June. Okay, so what else? Alright, I'll give you a bonus reading, guys. So what else we could see sa energy ng love natin. So, I'll giving you guys final message in regards of your relationship. Let's see, my dear fellow Aquarians, what we'll see here. So, all right. Okay, let's go. So, what I can see here, guys, what's coming or what is the message for your love life? Final message ito para sa aking mga Aquarians. Aquarians, nakikita ko dito na you will be happy in regards of your relationship. The more you focus on yourself, guys, the more you are attracting the things that is meant for you. The more you are becoming healthy, positive, or have that vibrant energy, the more that you are diving deeper with yourself, my fellow Aquarians. But be really careful sa mga in relationship. Don't share too much of your relationship. You might find some people that try to act that they like your situation, but deep inside there are envy. So be really careful telling people how good your relationship is. Okay, so nakikita ko dito na may mga maiinggit. So, kung ano yung kinakasaya nyo, Aquarians, sa inyuhin nyo na muna. Hindi naman kailangan lahat ng tao. Kahit yung mga closest natin, hindi nila kailangang malaman kung gaano tayo kasaya. Not until it's a marriage or celebrations. So, like that, okay? But just keep your harmony with you and your partner. Okay? So, thank you so much, Aquarians. See you in my next reading.